Hello, this is Raihan. Welcome to another video of Adobe Illustrator CC class number 11. So in this class, I will going to show you mesh tool and gradient tools. So this twice tool is very important. Every tool is important. Now let's see actually what does in this Adobe Illustrator application. Everybody, you see this is Adobe Illustrator window. Now I'm going to show you mesh tool and gradient tool. First I need 3 or 4 object. Okay, so first I share with you this tool, which is mesh tool. Okay, this is the mesh tool. So what does actually mesh tool? Now let's see. So we are get from a mesh tool x-axis and y-axis 2-axis line. See, one click, then x-axis and y-axis. Okay, and then other tools which is a gradient tool. So I think you know actually what does a gradient. The gradient tool is I think 80% they have no. So everybody, you see the 2 object here. Now I first give a color, which is actually is a gradient color. We need to select a gradient color. Okay, so this is a gradient color. I select this one, and then another object is also I select a color, so this color. Okay, now I understand to you actually how to maintain your gradient position or gradient layer. So we should select a gradient tools and drag and drop. Okay, if you want to this position, you can do, and this on also you can control that. Okay, so I think you got it. These tools you have I believe that you haven't any confuse about these tools, or if you have any confuse, then definitely you comment me, I will answer to you. Okay, this video is enough for today. Have a good day. See you the next video.